everyone and welcome to the 20th episode of Halloween Extra. Today I'll show you how to do this Frankenstein hand. And I start off with 3 different nail polishes which I use to paint my nails. This way my Frankenstein hand will look more realistic. Next I take some wax and roll it into a little sausage which I will stick onto my finger with the help of spirit gum adhesive. Now when the wax is on, I use my spatula to work it into my skin. However, this won't be enough to get a smooth surface, so I will take some Vaseline to improve the situation. Moving on to fake cuts. In order to do them, I will use my spatula and make some lines on top of the wax using it. Meanwhile, I do all the same procedures all over again on my other finger and my hand, and as a result I get a hand like this. As you understand, Frankenstein hand should be made out of different skin parts. That is why I will apply different foundation on different hand parts to get this effect. Before I apply fake blood into my cuts, I will fill them in with a combination of red and black cream colors. This way the blood will look brighter and more realistic. Now all is left is to make the stitches. I took a string, cut it into small pieces and apply these pieces on top of the wax. I don't even need an adhesive as wax holds the string really well. And yes, that is it. Thank you for watching. Please support my channel by subscribing and liking this video. And don't forget to check out my channel tomorrow for another Halloween Extra tutorial. Thanks and bye!